Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Music player Flutter inside me to create here the two tabs. First of all, need to create here the song tabs and integrate here the top tab bars. Need to look like this UI. We need to create here today. Need to create here the these tabs, but we need to develop here the only this top tab need to develop here, and then after we need to create here the last tabs. Need to setting tabs we need to develop today. This tab are the need to develop today. Let's start how to write down inside the two tabs. Need to create more. First of all, we need to write down here the go new folders and to write down here the song and another view need to create here the setting. And now first of all need to develop here the song to create new file song view dot and then after need to create here the setting dots. Now need to create here the stateful widgets and to write down here the song view and then after sorry for that and to create here the imports the widgets dependency you need to import here and need to create here the scaffold and now need to copy the home screen, copy the app bar and now need to paste here the song and to remove this here first of all imports here the color extensions and then after we need to import here the play screen view models we need to import and to import here the GetX. Now to write down here the text that here song now need to check our XDUI and to set here the style. Write down here the text styles you need to set here. Set here the colors. Color primary 80%. Set this here and to set here the font size need to 17 and then after need to set here the font weight. Write down here the mediums need to use here the 600. Now need to set this here and we need to configure this UI. First of all need to see here these widgets, copy and to go inside the main tab view and to set this here the const value song view. Now need to set and need to imports here songs view need to import here Now need to save this here and to save here. Now need to change this tab here and to display this here the song. And now need to create here the icon for the search. Go inside the song and now need to develop here options and to copy these icons buttons. Paste this here. Now need to set here the search icons, need to give here the copy relative path and to paste this here. And now need to set here the height, set 20. And now need to set here color. Give here the white. Primary text 35, we need to set this here. Now need to save this here and display good this here. Search. Okay. Now need to create here the body. Write down here the column. Tiles. Now need to create here the top tab bars, need to develop here the write downs. First of all, so need to needs here the tab view controllers. Write down here the tab view tab controller. Write down and set here the controllers. Now need to set this here and to give it the select tab. So to set here the 0. And then after need to initialize here the states and to write down here the controllers is equal to need to give here the tab controllers. And now need to set here the length. We need to count first of all need to set here the this keyword and since with this. And now need to write down here the width single start min max to give this years. And to now need to put here the length. We need to check here the counts 1 2 3 4 5 and also is the pi. Five tabs here the availables to write down here. And now need to write down here control question mark add listeners, set this here. Now need to select tab is equal to write down here the tab controller dot indexed. that is 0. That sets need to set here. Now need to create here the tab view, tab bar, and to give here the tabs. First of all, need to give here the controller. Now need to create here the tab. Set here the text. First one is the all. All song. Now need to check the property. No needs icons and okay. Now to develop here the another tabs. Yes, and to paste this here. Now need to set here the playlist. Then afterwards need to create here the album. And then afterwards need to this. And then afterwards need to create here the channels. And now need to set here the const value. Set this here. And now need to see here the textiles. Give the label colors. Label styles. Textiles. Give the colors. Color. Primary. And now need to check here the font. 15's mediums need to set this here the font size as a 15. And now need to set here the font weight. 600 need to set this here. Image need to give here the unselect. Table styles need to set here. Need to copy this here and to paste this here the unselect. And now need to set here the colors. Unselect tabs need to set here the primary. Text 80% need to set here. And then after need to same as the fonts, no any issue. Now need to check another property for the tab bars. Indicator width is the goods. Indicator colors need to give here. Need to give like the primary colors. Now need to set and to check primary colors. This is the focus colors we need to give, not primary. This years. Save this here. Now need to create the size box and to set here the height. Use here the size of height. Get tab bar heights. You get heights only. Now need to save this here. And now need to create here the another things. Develop here the expand. Write down here the child's TabView. Need to give this here. Set here the controllers. We need to set here as a controllers, and then after need to give here the children's. Now needs here the create here the containers sides, and to set here the center inside the center, and to set here text property. First ones are the need to set here the all song. Set it const value. Now need to copy here and okay, now we need to set here no needs because we need to one by one create the next video inside to create this all by once UI, and then after we need to calls here the Geo7's free API. We need to calls for the this all tabs. We need to integrate here the Geo7 API. We need to use here totally free availables, and now need to save this here. Now need to start this UI. UI restart are the done, and we need to check here the songs and to check here the cuttings. We need to fix first of all this UI issue. Now need to set here first of all the tab bars and to write down here the scrollable. You need to set this here. And now this is the display goods this here and working group this here. Okay, this tab UI are the done here the develops and to give here the paddings we need to give here the this insert symmetrics horizontals need to set here 20 and to set here the const width. Set this here and to check and then subdoors need to heights here check here maybe not any effects or the heights. Need to try to here the decrease. Now this is the display goods here. Okay, this tab view are the created here the done and next video inside need to create here the all song UI. But now need to create here the setting UI need to develop here. Go here need to develop this UI. These tabs. First of all need to go here the this sign up screens and to write down here the stateful widgets and to create here the setting. And to import here the material dependency, not widgets, and to import here the material dependency. And now need to create here the scaffold and to develop here the app bars. Need to copy song inside, we need to copy this app bar here. And now need to paste inside the settings and to change these titles. First of all need to set this here the title as a setting and now need to import here the color extensions and then after need to import here the gets and play screen view models need to import here and we need to check inside the UI. No needs here the action buttons need to remove here. Now need to develop here the body and to write down here list view and here and to set here children's. Now need to copy inside the side menu to go inside the go up and to copy any one styles and paste this here UI. Need to convert into the common view the tabs. Need to go common widgets and to write down here the icon text so arts need to write down here, and to create here the get list widgets, write down here one text row, and to import here the material dependency, and now need to create column. Now to create here the children's, now need to paste this codes here tiles, and now need to write down here the main axis alignment, not main axis size. We need to set here the minimum, and to import here the this color extensions, and we need to tab code, and now need to give here the some finals. The pods need to give here the names, that is the titles, then a final dot string, and to set here icon, and after need to create here the final void callback on tab see it, and now need to create here the in parameters. Now need to give here the property tab, titles need to set this here, icons need to pass here as a icons. Now this row are the created, and to minimize these codes for the developings, and to support the icon, save this here, use this row here, and now need to go inside the settings and need to paste this here the bots. Now need to set here like titles, set here icons, and to write down here the on tab events, set this here. Okay, now first of all also need to pass here the display, and need to set here the icon for display. We need to use here the s underscore display icons. We need to set this here, to give here the naming convention of the prefix. We need to s underscores for the setting menu. Now we need to create here the anothers, and afterwards we need to give here the audio, and to create the audio icons relative path, and to paste this here. Then afterwards we need to set here the handset, this is the only for create then purpose. This screen not integrate here the any menu, so we need to create only the UI. Then afterwards we need to copy this relative path and to paste this here. Then afterwards we need to set here lock screen, copy this here the lock screen relative path, and to set this here. And now we need to create here advanced, set here icons, copy this relative path and to set this here the icon. Now we need to save, copy this here, and to write down here the others. And we need to add here others icon. Copy this relative path and to put this here. Save. And now need to configure this UI inside here the main tab. Copy here and to go inside the main tab view and to configure here setting UI response value this here. Import this screen here. Now need to save this here and to display here the setting UI. Now need to write down here icon and to heights. Need to try here the this, get the now this is the display goods this year's configures here. No any issue. Same as we need to use this text lines, need to set here. Oh, display good here. And now need to use this setting. Copy this path and to go inside the main tab view and one by one so need to remove and to set this value and to convert into the common UI. This here. First of all, need to see here. Now need to and this. Now need to titles here. Yeah. Now need to again copy this here the cuts this here. Image need to replace with the all. Now need to paste this. This data here and to minimize these codes and optimize our codes one by ones need to see here and equalizers this issue spelling now need to cut this here and now need to set here driver modes copy this here and to paste this here. Now need to copy again here and folders. Now need to and to set this here the titles. Now need to here and last ones need to set here scan media, copy relative path and to icons and to give here the scan media. Now need to remove these codes here, and these codes are to optimize and minimize the line of codes. To reuse these controls here, so to create one times and use here the multiple times. Now need to save and need to test looking goods or not. Click here, and now this is the display goods. This no any issue. Same as need to calls here again, and here the side menu working goods, no any issue, and to set this here. And next video we need to insert, need to create here the all songs UI we need to develop here, and with the not develop here the bottom mini players we need to not develop today. Last all design are complete, then up to design the mini players and main players we need to develop here the two pairs, and to integrate here the audio library, audio players, and audio service need to integrate here the with button management with the native, the play push, and to notify. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icons. You can get every new video notifications and awesome contents. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.